Okay, folks, welcome back. Thanks for watching still. We're talking about two processes that occur in living things here: growth and differentiation. So to grow means that you make more cells. And if you imagine that you all started off as one single cell, made from your dad's sperm cell and a mum's egg cell, fertilizing and making a new person. You started off as a single cell, and cell division and differentiation have made you got bigger, and your cells differentiated and became specialized to do a certain job. Now, when we're comparing living things, we can think about growth and differentiation in plants or in animals. So an important distinction here is that in plants, the ability of their cells to differentiate continues over most of their lifetime. And this explains why you can take a cutting of a plant, poke it into some soil, and the cells in the cut end of the stem will differentiate and turn into roots. So plant cells can continue to differentiate. The cell division for growth happens in this special tissue at the tips of roots and shoots, which is called meristem. You can see it on this diagram here. So growth happens, cell division happens at the very tip of roots and shoots. So when a plant is growing and getting larger, cells are dividing in the meristem and then getting longer. And so roots get longer and grow down, and shoots get longer and grow up. Now, animals also use mitosis to grow and to repair themselves, but their cells differentiated, our cells differentiated at a very early stage. So although at one point, there's a diagram here to show a human embryo with about 8 cells in it, a human embryo is made of undifferentiated cells. Really quite quickly, those cells start to differentiate. Some will become bone, some will become muscle, some will become nerve tissue, for example. And that happens early on, and then you grow and get bigger. Undifferentiated cells, cells that can become any type, are referred to as stem cells. These cells in an embryo are stem cells. They could differentiate and become any type. And as an adult stem cell would be found in your bone marrow.